What's up? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I am super excited to share this video with you today because this is Gio's Ghibli yet again. I actually had this in the shop a couple weeks ago when I did the taillight modification, and I also did the grill lighting on this thing, but it was the first time in my career where I actually had a BlueGhozt module fail out of the box. So although I completed all of the strip installs, I couldn't actually finish the installation until a replacement warranted ghost came in and I could swap that out. And so today it functions. So I'm going to show off starting up the car, and I'm going to back it off my little floor mat there, and then I am going to show you some of these cool features, and I'm really going to flaunt this grill because it looks sweet. Now I know a lot of really cool things happened with the lights on this vehicle when I started up. Presumably the DRL lights, the halos, and the demon eyes all came on white mode. He likes to drive around with the demon eyes on red and the eyebrow and the halo on blue, which is cool. That's his prerogative. But I do know that what I'm here to show off today is these strips that are hidden inside of the upper and lower grills. These are all addressable LEDs that I have installed in there now, and they should do a startup animation, and then they're going to be a running light. I think I said it is blue. That's going to be customizable and controllable by Gio. So this is all going to be BlueGhozt controlled, and look at that. Oh my goodness, there's so much light in there. Like I said, I got one really big strip going across the bottom and then two strips in the upper grill. Now what I like about my installs, which is really important, is that you cannot see any of the strips from any reasonable position looking around the car. However, what I really particularly enjoy about this one is the fact that because it is a black vehicle, you can see the reflection in the paint of some of the LEDs. And there is nothing I can do about that. And when he asked about it, I was like, dude, sorry you've got a shiny car, man. Like, what do you expect from me here? This is really cool, though. So we're going to talk about some BlueGhozt action. Obviously, it does stuff. You've seen several videos where I've done BlueGhozt before, and it just has a lot of features that you can do within the app. All multicolor control, all sorts of different things. This one's builder. It is integrated with the vehicle for startup and shutdown motion. Also does turn signals really well. So here's his new turn signal. It looks pretty cool. Now keep in mind these profile products, being that eyebrow and the halo, also are switchback products. However, they are not currently on. I can push a button on the interior and I can show you that. Look, now we've got even more turn signal action. As you can see, the eyebrow and the halo blink. Cool. That is a mean looking setup for sure. Look at that, you can turn both ways too. Whoa, what technology. And this is what it looks like, completely everything lit up in white. So we've got demon eyes, a halo, an eyebrow, and a bunch of grill lighting. As far as mixed white goes, this is a bit cool, but obviously it's pretty cool. So like whatever, it's all good. And here we go, now we got everything going off. We got, like I said, the demon eyes, the eyebrows, the halos, the grill. There's a lot of really cool lights on the front end of this Ghibli, and I gotta admit, I am pretty proud. Pretty much from here on out, if I continue showing you anything, it's just going to be showcasing different modes, but you can look at any of the previous videos that I've done using any BlueGhozt modules, and you can see that there are a ton of modes. So this isn't really doing you any favors, just showing you, look, we got really good install, it's really clean, I am very pleased with it. I gotta admit, this thing just looks gnarly. I am in love! Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description, so if you have any questions about that, of course, read the video description, please. Every build is custom made to order, so your pricing will vary depending on the features that you want. Grill lighting is a local installation service only. I'm pretty sure everybody loves vacationing in Florida though, so just let me know if there's anything that I can help you out with. In order to submit a build request for yourself, you will have to do that through the form on the website. That also will be located in the video description. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile, and this is Gio's super cool Ghibli, and I shall talk to you later. See ya!